Today I will introduce 2 yummy and easy rice ball recipes that are effective in boosting the immune system. First one is immune boosting beef ball. In Japan, this kind of thinly sliced meat is more popular, so I will use this today, but there is no problem at all if you use chunks of meat. First, let's season the beef. Grate the garlic. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Black pepper. Black pepper tastes better if you sprinkle it plentifully. Put soy sauce and sake. Mix well to distribute the flavors throughout the beef. This is then formed into a thin, small hamburger patty. This way you can make the beef like a tender steak, which is very tasty. If you are using steak meat, cut it into bite-sized pieces and blend the seasonings from earlier over the entire surface of the meat. Freeze in the refrigerator while you prepare the sauce. Today we are using a lot of ginger. Ginger contains ingredients that have strong bactericidal and immune-enhancing effect. It seems to its effect when it's raw. So today I will shred it and use it raw later. Look forward to seeing how you use it later. The other half is chopped and used for meat sauce. This one is heated, but when heated, the warming component in ginger is said to work more strongly. It's very important to keep the body warm to prevent illness. Garlic is also said to have a strong bactericidal effect as well. Above all, garlic and ginger are essential ingredients that make meat sauce ridiculously tasty. Now let's cook the meat. Sprinkle flour on one side of the meat or the pan. Cook with the flour side down. Cook until the surface is slightly charred, about 2 minutes. Then turn over. Sprinkle a little sake over the meat and steam it. You can skip the sake. Steam for 2 minutes and remove when meat is almost done. If using thicker meat, steam a little longer. In the same pan, make the sauce. Put minced garlic and ginger. Fry lightly until fragrant. Add soy sauce, sugar, mirin, miso paste, and chili pepper. I use Nanami togarashi, Japanese 7-spice blend. If you like spicy, you got a lot. Use chili pepper of your choice. Bring to a light boil and mix seasonings well. Return the meat to the pan and toss with the sauce. If the meat is cooked too long, it will become tough, so toss it lightly with the sauce and then turn off the heat. We'll be putting a twist on rice today, so stay tuned. Finally, chop the shiso. It seems that many people in other countries cannot get shiso. I recently found a shiso paste that you can buy online. So please take a look at the link, my tools and seasonings in the description section. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system. It's cut into very fine pieces. This will be added to rice to make a meal that will further strengthen the body. Cook rice as usual and place in a bowl. Add 5 sesame seeds. Wipe the bell peppers thoroughly dry before adding them. Add shredded ginger and shiso. The aroma is enhanced by the addition of sesame oil. Ginger and rice go together better than you might think. I have recently become addicted to it because it tastes good and is healthy. Of course, you can also make this bowl of rice with just plain white rice. Crush almonds if you have them, and add them to the topping. Almonds are high-fiber food that can help regulate the intestinal environment and strengthen the immune system. Place the meat on top of the rice and pour the sauce over it. Top with green onions if desired, and leftover bell peppers. The crunchy texture of the almond adds a nice accent. This has developed an addictive and super tasty sauce. I'd definitely make it again. Next, I'll introduce a new style of Oyakodon. Enjoy the immune boosting and refreshingly delicious Oyakodon. The important point today is this tomato. Make a slit like this. Place them in hot water and peel the skin clean off. Put them in boiling water for a few seconds. And as soon as the skin peels off like this, transfer them to cold water. Lycopene and vitamin C contained in tomatoes seem to reduce cell damage caused by active oxygen. Watery tomatoes add a refreshing touch to Oyakodon. They also go well with the egg. Cut into small pieces like this. Usually only onions are added to Oyakodon, but today carrots are also added to boost the immune system. A little sliced ginger might have been nice. The most common topping for Oyakodon is mitsuba. It has a unique flavor that is different from parsley and adds a very nice accent. This is also delicious when used for tempura. If you can find one, please buy it. Cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Protein is a material for immune cells and enzymes involved in immunity and helps improve immunity. So in this way, the combination of vitamin-rich vegetable and meat is perfect for boosting the immune system. Prepare eggs in advance as well. Eggs contain a very good balance of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of immune cells. 1 egg per serving is fine, but today I want to make it nutritious, so let's use 2. I'm gonna make the sauce for Oyakodon here. Put water, sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and dashi powder. Mix well and bring to a light boil. If you don't have mirin and sake or don't want to use alcohol, try making it with just soy sauce, sugar, and dashi powder. Mix these with the same amount of water. The addition of mirin and sake will definitely increase the umami and taste of the dish, so I hope you will try it. Bring to a light boil, then add the vegetables and chicken on top. I hope that having the vegetable underneath would prevent the chicken from getting tough as much as possible. I sprinkle the chicken with just a little salt. Cook until the chicken is cooked through, and the amount of this sauce is reduced by about half. I simmered mine with the lid on for about 3 minutes, but it took longer to reduce the sauce at the end, so you may not need to cover it. If possible, it's better to cook the skin side longer to prevent the meat from becoming tough. Turn the chicken over occasionally to allow the flavor to soak in. The sauce has been reduced and an egg is added. Put the whites in first because they take longer. Add tomatoes here. If you prefer your tomatoes well cooked, cook them longer. Or if you prefer fresh texture, add them just before turning off the heat. Be careful not to add too much as it will dilute the flavor. Add the mitsuba and the yolk. And cook a little at the end to complete the dish. Cook until the eggs reach the desired consistency. The residual heat will harden them quickly, so if you like them half cooked, turn off the heat as soon as possible. It's recommended to serve rice in a bowl in advance before adding eggs. At first, I wondered if tomatoes and oyakodon would go well together, but I was surprised to find that it was better than I had expected. Which bowl did you like? Please give it a try. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.